Hey guys, welcome to our channel Student Impulse, a unique channel to help job seekers, both freshers and experienced professionals. It also helps students to get to know what the skill set they have to improve during their studies, which lands them a dream job after their education. In this video, we are going to discuss about latest job openings in Kanchipuram location. Let us see what are the job openings available. We will discuss one by one in detail. Please like our videos guys. It will encourage us to do more videos for Kanchipuram location. Attention please, do not pay money for any kind of job. I just wanted to describe this image. You should have an idea about what kind of career you are choosing, what the kind of field you wanted to enter, what type of industry you wanted to enter. Should have a clear idea so that you can get a proper planning and you can get an idea how to crack that particular field interviews or anything you wanted to prepare. So you should have a clear idea. It is very important first step to achieve in a career. And then if you got an idea what type of field, what type of technology, what type of company or industry you wanted to enter, then you can start a planning how to enter it. You have to plan it properly, either joining the institute or learning some courses online, whatever, up to whatever flexibility you have to plan according to achieve that particular goal, whatever you have put to enter into an industry or to get a job in a particular field. So you have to plan properly, and you should set a strategy. How many months, how many days? We can't sit idle for days. Days will pass, months will pass, years also will pass. So we can't stick to a we can't wait idle. We can't sit idle for many days, right? So we have to put a strategy. How many days? Within how many days I have to crack that? Within how many months I should complete this, and I should get a particular. I should get into a particular field or particular job. So this is the strategy you should have in your mind. Then finally you will get a success automatically. So please be aware of your career guys. You should have clear idea, plan it, and have a clear strategy. It will lead to success. Firstly, there is a job opening for office executive position for the organization Sanford Senior Secondary School. Only female candidate is eligible for this job role and should be married. Salary offered up to 15,000 a month. And this is a CBSE affiliated school. They are looking for the female office executive, and the minimum qualification is any degree with office experience is also considered, and you should have knowledge of MS Office and MS Excel. It is mandatory. Work location will be Kanchipuram, and you can see the address details provided here and how to reach the organization. Clear information available here. You can contact on the given phone number for more information, or you can share your resume at the provided email ID. Contact number is 9789987489, and email ID is job3sang@gmail.com. Next, there is a job vacancy for Anudip Foundation for Social Welfare. They are looking for marketing executive position. Minimum 2 years of experience in student mobilization, student counseling, and enrollment is required. Salary offered minimum 15,000 to up to 25,000 a month. You can go through the roles and responsibilities. You should have mapping potential catchment areas and communities suitable for mobilization in the identified locations. Should build rapport with the local community leaders well before the start of the mobilization. You should create awareness of the Anudip program and sensitizing the community to participate and take the program to as many needy as possible. You should address communities about the Anudip program and its benefits through various means of communication to motivate and encourage youth to avail the opportunity. You should help the center team to select the needy youth Anudip students and ensure that the center has optimum batch strength. And you should provide support to the center team, area manager in organizing alumni guest events as and when required as per the process. You should ensure optimum batch strength in assigned Anudip center. So these are all the job roles and responsibilities, clear information available. And qualification is any graduation in any discipline. You can contact on the given phone number for more information. Contact number is 8667547938. As they said, there is a minimum 2 years of experience is requirement. You can still contact if you are a fresher. If they are in need of recruitment, they will consider. So you can contact on the given phone number for further details. Next, there is a job vacancy for sales executive for Rajan Group of companies. Salary offered up to 19,000 a month, and both male and female candidates are eligible for this job role. And minimum qualification is degree. You can contact on the given phone number for more information. Contact number is 9994125636. Next, there is a job vacancy for Anadi Foundation for Social Welfare. They are looking for digital marketing executive position. Salary offered minimum 20,000 to up to 35,000 a month. If we go through the roles and responsibilities, one should have a good knowledge of SEO, SEM, and Google Analytics, Google Webmaster Tools, Google PPC, social media, content marketing, and email marketing, and WordPress website. And we should be able to teach 2 to 3 batch sizes of 15 to 20 students and batch per day and impart training and learning as per prescribed curriculum and teaching guidelines. So these are all the requirements. You should assess and evaluate students for their proficiency, comprehension, familiarity with this course or subject, job readiness. You should lead, support, and facilitate student selection and enrollment and placement efforts along with other center personnel, do students counseling. So this like this, there is a detailed roles and responsibilities information. You can go through it once. Minimum qualification, graduation or post graduation or BTech, BCA, MCA. And if you have a relevant training or Google certification will be added advantage. Minimum 1 year of experience as a faculty or trainer is required. You can contact on the given phone number for more information. Contact number is 8667547938. Next, there is a job vacancy for gas executive for the organization PRM Roadways Private Limited. Salary offered up to 15,000 a month. This is a gas agency. They are looking for gas executive. You can contact on the given phone number for more information. Contact number is 8610004054. Next, there is a job opening for packing executives for Rajan Group of companies. Salary offered up to 7,000 a month. And both freshers and experienced both are eligible. You can contact on the given phone number for more information. Contact number is 9994125636. Next, there is a job opening for packing assistant for Raja Spiritual Private Limited. They are looking for packing assistants. Only male candidates are eligible for the job role. Minimum qualification 10th or 12th pass or fail. And freshers are eligible for the job role. And requirement is packing with the material. You can contact on the given phone number for more information. Contact number is 9994125636. And salary offered minimum 8,000 to up to 10,000 a month. Next, there is a job opening for Rajan Group of companies for ITI fitter position. Salary offered minimum 12,000 to up to 14,000 a month. And freshers and experienced both are eligible. Minimum qualification is ITI. You can contact on the given phone number for more information. Contact number is 9994125636. Next, there is a job openings for welder position for Rajan Group of companies. Experience and fresher both are eligible. Minimum qualification is ITI. You can contact on the given phone number for more information. Contact number is 9994125636. Next, there is a job opening for staff nurse position for the organization Om Shanti Heart Care Center. Salary offered minimum 8,000 to up to 12,000 a month. There is a lot of opportunities for career growth in the organization. As per the update, you can contact on the given phone number for more information. Contact number is 9942235444. Next, there is a job openings for Central Institute for Cotton Research. There is a direct walk-in interview for the selection of temporary position of young professional 1 and 2 on 1st and 2nd February 2021. For more details, you can visit the official website of Central Institute for Cotton Research. This is www.cicr.org.in. For more details, you can browse the provided website address, and there will be a walk-in interview on 1st and 2nd February 2021. This is the address details. You can check with that. The organization address is available. You can check with that. Next, there is a job openings for ACS Techs. They are looking for various positions like trainee technician. Qualification is BE or diploma, any stream, and BSc maths and other maths major subjects with no errors. And both male and female candidates are eligible for this job role. Job location will be at Salem. Freshers are eligible, and up to 3 years of any field experience will be considered. And age limit is below 26 years. The age should be below 26 years. So the job location will be Salem. Yeah, check with this. And there is one more job opening, graduate trainee. Qualification is any graduation. Both male and female candidates are eligible for the job role. Job location will be same. It is located in Attur, Salem. And freshers are eligible for the job role, and up to 3 years of experience any field is considered, and age limit is below 26 years. And there is also offering free accommodation and food from the organization itself. You can contact on the given phone number for more information. Contact number is 7810098783, and you can share your resume at the provided email ID hr@acsentex.com. So you can share your resume, and you can contact on the given phone number for further information. And there will be a competitive salary offered and awesome benefits from the organization. This is one of the great organization to work with it. You can contact on the given phone number for further details and get to know detailed information. That's it in this video, guys. I'll be coming up with more updated job openings for your location. Please like our videos. It will encourage us to do more videos for your location. Thank you so much for watching the video. Please share our channel with your friends and family members. If you are not subscribed, please subscribe and press the bell icon to get notifications of jobs as early as possible. Thank you so much for watching the video. Have a great day.